going to show you how to install TV ears, an innovative device for those with hearing loss. TV ears sends audio directly from the audio source of a television to a wireless headset. This allows you to listen to the TV at a comfortable volume without bothering anyone around you. First, place the receiver at a height which is level with your head, with an unobstructed path to your headset. Next, connect the audio cable to the receiver and connect the opposite end to the audio out port in the back of your TV. Connect the power cable the rear of your receiver and plug the receiver into the wall outlet. Set the headset on the base to charge for at least 1 hour before your first use. When you're ready to watch TV, place the headset around your neck with the earpieces positioned in your ears. Turn the volume knob on and adjust to a comfortable volume. When you're finished, turn the volume knob off and place in the headset back on the charging base. To schedule your free hearing evaluation and for answers to your questions, call us at the number below. And be sure to visit our website at hearingaidoctors.com, where you'll find more videos and articles about your hearing health. Thanks for watching.